Hi guys, it's Pink Flower back with another video for today, and here are a few of my LPS. And then here are more LPS in this basket. And I'm back with another video for you today. And my camera was like really blurry for some reason. And like, sorry if it's like really dark in here. It's just, I have only two lights, and those lights aren't really good lights, but like, I was hoping that this would be good. This would be good enough for you. Just got some of my LPS and plain and simple LPS. Like, say for example, over here is some bunnies. Then what do we have? We have a cat. We have this dog from Littlest Pet Shops. Its name is Zoe. We have a few babies. We have some babies over here. All the all the good stuff. This dog, some of these, just like stuff. Ow, ow, ow! Why do I keep falling over? Okay, just stuff like this, and just like all the good stuff, like not like any loser LPS, like all the good LPS and stuff, and like crap. Comment, subscribe, and like this video, and I'll see you in my next vid. Bye. Ow. I can't. I can't stand up today.